How to use Notion, a complete beginner's guide. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I will show you how to use Notion.so for your task and project management. So let's get started. First, what you have to do is you will simply go to Notion.so and you will land on this platform right here. Notion is an amazing project and task manager where you can simply go ahead and manage your everyday and work tasks very easily. You get a lot of different themes and templates to choose from. You can simply go ahead and manage your team and business very efficiently. How to get started for Notion? You simply go ahead and click right here, try Notion for free. Or you can simply log in to your Notion if you already have an account. You can sign up with your Google account, your Apple, or your email address. I'm going to go ahead and sign up with my Google account. Once you sign up for Notion, then you will simply get your own workspace. I have signed into my Notion.so. So let me actually show you how Notion works and how you can simply get started with Notion. In here, I will be able to find my account. To add another account, what you have to do is simply click right here and then create another account. After that, we have the workspace option right here. You can simply create as many workspaces as you like for different categories and for different businesses. Then we have the private option right here. And here I will be able to create my private workspaces for myself. Then we have templates, import, and trash. We also have the new page option right here, which allows us to create a new page. Let me show you how to create a new workspace and how to simply get started and creating your own task and projects. To create a new workspace, you simply click right here and it allows you to create a brand new workspace of yourself. Now, simply add the title for your workspace. I am creating a workspace for my marketing. So I'm going to go ahead and add the title. So this is going to be the name for my workspace. I can simply go ahead and add an icon right here. Let's go ahead and change the icon. We get all of these different icons to choose from. So I have selected the desktop right here. Then we have the add cover option, which allows us to add a cover right here. To change the cover, I can simply click right here and choose from different gradients, or I can simply go ahead and change an image as well. For this one, I'm going to go ahead and select an image. So I have selected this image right here. Then we have the add a comment option right here. So I'm going to go ahead and add a comment. This is my marketing strategy dashboard. After that, I can simply go ahead and press enter to continue. Now I have to add a command right here. Simply click on this plus icon right here and I will be able to add a to-do list, text, page, or a heading. Let's go ahead and add a to-do list. Let's name it to do. I can simply go ahead and add a command right here. I can add a text, page, to-do list, or a heading as well. Then we have heading 2, table, numbered list, quote, dividers, callout. We can also mention a person, mention a page, data reminder, emojis, table view, list view, calendar, whatever we want to add right here. So it depends on us how we want to create our own workspace. In Notion, we are getting a table view, board view, calendar view, list view, then we have timeline view and database. Let's go with a board view right here. So I have added a board view and now I will be able to add different views as well. Let's add another view. So now I can simply go ahead and create as many tasks as I want to. So when it comes to the data source, I can simply go ahead and add data from my other workspaces as well. Or I can use a template in order to create my workspace right here. So let me actually show you what kind of templates we get on Notion and how I can use one. So when it comes to templates, we have design, student, then we have human resources, marketing, personal, sales, and product management. So I'm going to go ahead and go to marketing and select this one. Once you select a template, then you will simply get different, boards right here and different views. So it becomes really easy for you to kind of go ahead and add your task. This is really good for beginners and you can simply go ahead and create a professional workspace of your own. So in here, we are getting different statuses such as not started, in progress, and complete. To add a new one, I will simply click right here and add a new group. Let's add a new group called error, and I'm going to click on done. You can see right here now we have a new group. To move a task from one group to another, it's a simple drag and drop, and you will simply be able to move them. To add a new task, simply click on new and type in a name. Let's call it task 3 and click on enter. This new task will be created. To access different features, click right here. And now I will be able to delete the task, duplicate, copy link, open in a new tab, rename, edit priority, and in priority I have projects, type, to do, epic, sprint, task, timeline, engineers, and leads. Then we also have the move to option. Let's open it in a new tab, and then I will be able to open my task in a new tab. And in here, I will be able to do a lot with it. I can simply go ahead and add the deadline, add the type, status, priority, product manager, leads, and simply add a comment as well. After that, once you're done with the task, you will simply close it and it will be saved on your group right here. You can also add a new task with this option right here, new, and simply add the title. This way, you will be able to create your own professional workspace. To share your workspace, you simply click on share, and then you can simply go ahead and add the email address of the person you want to invite. And you will be able to invite them right here on your Notion workspace. I can switch between my workspaces from here. For example, if I want to go to this workspace, I can simply click right here, and then I will be able to access it. Then I have other workspaces as well. To import a task or workspace, you simply click on import right here. Then we have quick find option, settings, and members right here. And this is how you can simply use your Notion to manage your different tasks and to create an amazing workspace of your own. This way you will be able to run your business very efficiently and keep track of your everyday task as well. So yeah guys, this brings us to the end of the video. I hope that I was a big help to you and now you know everything that you wanted to know. And don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up if this tutorial was a big help to you. I tried to tell you everything about the topic and I hope that you understood everything and now you are good to go. And don't forget to share this video with your friends and family members so they can also get the information they want to. Also, you can subscribe to the YouTube channel. The button will be given right down below. Go ahead and subscribe to the YouTube channel. Also, hit the notification bell so every time you get notified when we post a video. So yeah, also leave a comment down below. What was your favorite part and what did you learn from this video, or if you have any question. So yeah guys, this brings us to the end of the video. I hope that I was a big help to you and now you know how to use Notion.so. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to the YouTube channel.